Alan George A. G. Lafley is an American businessman and executive chairman of Procter Gamble, previously serving as chairman, president and CEO. As CEO, Lafley is credited with revitalizing P&G under the mantra "OE consumer is boss," with a focus on billion-dollar brands like Crest, Tide, and Pampers. But he also brought in several new brands, like Swiffer and Febreze, by merging P&G unregistered trademark S internal resources with outside OE opina innovation, referred to as Connect Plus Develop. Prior to rejoining P&G in 2013, Lafley consulted on business and innovation strategy, advising on CEO succession and executive leadership development, and coaching experienced, new, and potential CEOs. Early years and business legacy. Lafley graduated from Fenwick High School in Oak Park, Illinois, and earned an A.B. from Hamilton College in 1969. In 1970, after beginning a doctoral program at the University of Virginia, he took a commission with the U.S. Navy as a supply officer during the Vietnam War. Afterwards, he studied at Harvard Business School, receiving his MBA. In 1977, he joined P&G upon his graduation. With Lafley leading the company for most of the 2000s, P&G more than doubled sales since the beginning of the decade. During that time, the Campania unregistered trademark S portfolio of billion-dollar brands grew from 10 to 24 and the number of brands with sales between $500 million and $1 billion increased five-fold with Lafley at P&G unregistered trademark S helm. On average, P&G's annual organic sales grew 5%, annual core earnings per share grew 12%, and free cash flow productivity averaged 112% a year since 2001. Further, during Lafley unregistered trademark S tenure, the Campania unregistered trademark S market capitalization more than doubled, making P&G one of the 5 most valuable companies in the U.S. and among the 10 most valuable companies in the world. Lafley is credited with making P&G a more consumer-driven and externally focused Campania and with shaping a far more diverse, open, curious and courageous, connected and collaborative culture in which innovation is every unregistered trademark S job. Recognition and thought leadership. AG is broadly recognized for his business leadership. He was awarded CEO of the Year 2006 by Chief Executive Magazine and the Peter G. Peterson Award for Business Statesmanship presented by the CED in 2009. In 2010, Lafley received the Edison Achievement Award, in recognition of his contributions to innovation, marketing, and human-centered design. He was also recognized with the 2010 Hall of Achievement Award, the highest honor given by the Grocery Manufacturers Association. In 2011, Lafley was awarded the Warren Bennis Award for Leadership Excellence and inducted into the Industry Week Manufacturing Hall of Fame. In 2012, Lafley was inducted into the prestigious Advertising Hall of Fame. In 2008, Lafley and strategy consultant Ram Charan published The Game Changer, an operating manager's guide to turning innovation into strategic advantage. Businessweek selected The Game Changer as one of the year's top 10 business books. Mr. Lafley has also authored several critically acclaimed articles for Harvard Business Review, including OE What Only the CEO Can Do OE Executive Pay, Time for CEOs to Take a Stand OE I Think of My Failures as a Gift and OE The Art and Science of Finding the Right CEO co-authored with notable author and leadership consultant, Noel M. Tiki. In 2013, Lafley and Roger Martin wrote Playing to Win, A Practical Approach to Winning Strategy, explaining what strategy is for and what unregistered trademark S about. References. External links, book, The Game Changer by A.G. Lafley, The Game Changer book review at Letters on Pages, Playing to Win homepage, USA Today Q&A, A.G. Lafley profile at leading authorities, Clayton, Dubilier and Rice homepage.